We made it to the Grand Bazaar. Alright, it's day 3 in Istanbul. We're gonna head to the Grand Bazaar. I think Mariko wants to buy some gifts. I want to buy a cap because this hat is way too hot. And I also want to check out some nice carpets, maybe some flying carpets. And if there's a shiny lamp, I might just try to give that a little rub. Maybe I'm lucky, maybe something will come out. But first we're gonna check out the Süleymaniye Mosque, which is this gigantic mosque over here. The Süleymaniye Mosque is really different from the other mosques. There's a big outside area with, in the center, some sort of building. And there's also a lot of sleeping dogs, like this one over here. Seems like this place is the ultimate relax spot for dogs. I'll have to look up what this building is about, but it looks similar to the one in Mecca. Yeah, it looks really interesting. I'm not sure what's inside. Some sort of candles? I'm not sure. Looks very cool though, very mysterious. Whenever you come inside a mosque, it's just so peaceful, so quiet, especially when outside it's so loud. Yeah, feels magical. This is the cat tree of Istanbul. It doesn't bear fruits, it bears cats. There's this old cute lady feeding the cats. So cute. Wow. Looks like Zelda dungeon. We can take a look. Wow. Angel. Frida Kahlo Terrace. Ordered this food, not sure what it is, but looks good and the view is amazing. Alright, it's my time to try the falafel. I'm not sure what this is. It's good. I'm Dutch, so I like potatoes. There's potato inside. And it's bread and potato, perfect for a Dutchie like myself. So while we were at the cafe, it was actually time for the prayer in Istanbul, and you could hear all the mosques all over the city. It was really amazing. We're heading to the Grand Bazaar. The amount of jewelry, shiny gold shops are increasing. I think we're getting close. We made it to the Grand Bazaar. I have to say I'm a little bit disappointed with the shops. They all sell the same stuff, but the view is really beautiful. Apparently this is the oldest market in the world, and you can really tell from the architecture. It's really beautiful, but for shopping it's not that good, unfortunately.
That's Chanel Hermes.
That's it for the Grand Bazaar. A lot of shops, but nothing interesting to buy. I was hoping to see some ocarinas, instruments made of clay, but they didn't have any. It's just a lot of the same stuff. So now we're just gonna find some food, and then we're gonna head back to the Airbnb. We need to have a really early flight. We need to get up at 3. So we're just gonna take it easy the rest of the day, and hopefully we can get some sleep before the last flight, because tomorrow we're going to Greece. Yay! We're gonna try to eat something here. Looks good. A lot of different things to choose from. Hello. Can I have... Yes, yes. Yeah, looks good. Thank you. I got this cheesy something, cheesy potato-y stuff. And this rice, looks like peppery rice. And I'll try my cheesy something. Potato, cheese and meat. It's mashed potatoes. It's good. Like I said, I'm a Dutchie. I like potatoes. So we're back at Taksim, our place where we're staying, and this is the end of our Istanbul trip. I really like the mosques and the architecture of Istanbul. It was so beautiful, and it's really nice to see all the animals on the streets and people giving them food. Yeah, it feels like a nice place. And our next trip is gonna be Greece. I watched a lot of Greek movies and series, Hercules and Sina Warrior Princess. So I'm really excited to see all that kind of references around Athens, which is where we're going. So yeah, thanks for watching our trip in Istanbul, and you'll see us in Greece next.